Hey lovely people, I hope you all are doing well. So we're going to jump right into the video. My twists have been freshly washed and I just put that plastic bag over it to trap in the moisture in my hair. Y'all, please don't judge me about using these plastic bags, y'all. I recycle my grocery bags and I use them on my hair. I've tried shower caps in the past and I literally have to use like 2 shower caps in order for all of my hair to fit in it. So grocery bags will do for me. So here I am working in my infamous 4 sections. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Moisture Rich Conditioner by Tresemme. This is a rinse out conditioner. My routine for my mini twist is basically the same except my hair is twisted instead. So I'm just going ahead and squeezing the conditioner into my hair. I love using that conditioner because it does provide my hair with great moisture and it leaves my hair feeling so soft and smelling so good. So I just go ahead and pat the product into my hair. So my hair has been in these mini twists for about 2 weeks now. So I basically always wash my hair every 2 weeks, and then once I reach that 4th week mark, that's when I will go ahead and redo each twist individually and wash it, take it down, condition it and all that, and then retwist it up. But this is my 2nd week mark, so I'm just washing my hair in the twist and putting in the moisture, just squeezing and patting that conditioner on in. I plan on leaving my hair twisted for about a month, and then I'm thinking after that month I'm gonna go ahead and combine the twist and make them a bit bigger than what they are, because mini twists can be time consuming. Having to like retwist it's a lot of twist. But I'm just thoroughly making sure I'm putting the conditioner onto my hair and patting it in as much as possible. For some reason I was able to easily pull out a lot of like shed hair from my ends, and that's what you all see me doing here. It was so easy for me to just pull the shed hairs out, so that's what I was doing, because with those shed hairs, if you leave them just straggly and dangling on your ends, they will create unnecessary single strand knots. So once I apply the conditioner, I just twist my hair all the way up just to help it soak in the moisture, and then I'll wrap it around itself and just repeat the process with the other sections. Alright y'all, so here I am twisting up that last section in the back. I went ahead and applied the conditioner to it, and now I'm just twisting it up and wrapping it around itself like I did with the other sections. And then I will go ahead and put my plastic bag back on. Okay, I'm going to put that back on just to help trap in all the moisture and the heat into my hair, to help the conditioner penetrate my hair strands. And I left that on for about, I want to say 30 to 45 minutes I left it on. So here I am just putting that plastic bag back on, and I will leave my hair alone for the next 30 minutes. Alright, y'all, so after 30 minutes, I of course rinsed my conditioner out. I use my microfiber, I'm not even sure if this is a microfiber hair towel or hair wrap or whatever, but I'm using this. I love it on my hair because it soaks up so much moisture and it doesn't like make my hair feel dry and rough. But this is how my hair looks after I've rinsed out the conditioner. And being that my hair is so thick, y'all, I can't help but to work in sections. Like, I have to work in sections. Otherwise, I would go crazy, like too much hair in the way, feeling overwhelmed and everything like that. But I am using this leave-in conditioner by African Pride. Again, just squeezing that conditioner in. This is my leave-in conditioner. And I'm pretty heavy-handed with my conditioner. So just trying to make sure my strands are getting coated as much as possible, which of course is a little more hard to achieve because my hair is twisted up. But I just want to ensure that my hair is retaining some form of moisture. And honestly, I've noticed that when my hair is twisted up, I'm able to retain moisture more, as opposed to me wearing my hair like in a twist out or braid out, or just wearing it out in general. My hair loses moisture faster. But it's still important too, if you do any type of long-term protective style like mini twist, you can still moisturize your hair while it's in twist. And honestly, I do advise for you to do so because your hair needs that moisture. Even if you are doing a long-term protective style, a style is no longer protective if you're not still taking the necessary steps to ensure that your hair is cared for. Okay, so here I am just going ahead and applying this oil by the same brand, African Pride, using this oil to seal in the moisture from the conditioner, and I'm also patting that, squeezing that into my hair as well. Alright, so once I've fully done the LCO method on that section of hair, I'm going to go ahead and take my flexi rods and I'm going to go ahead and roll my hair in those flexi rods. The reason I chose to use flexi rods was because I knew it would help stretch my hair out and give me some form of curl. That's what I was going for, but it did not work out that way. First, when I was putting in the flexi rods, I did not know what I was doing all the way. So yeah, the flexi rods that I put in the front that you all will see within the next minute or so looked a hot mess. Okay, so I ended up redoing them. So before y'all go ahead and type y'all comments bashing me or talking about how I'm putting these flexi rods in, go ahead and click backspace because I ended up redoing it because it just looked a mess. But anyways, I'm just going to be going ahead and putting the flexi rods on all sections of my hair after I go ahead and moisturize it, fill it in with oil. Then I'll go ahead and wrap it in the flexi rods. All right, so that's what you all see me doing here. And I will say that I did sit under the dryer with the flexi rods and my hair wasn't drying thoroughly. So I did end up taking those flexi rods out. Okay, because my hair was not drying at all. So yeah, even though y'all see me putting these flexi rods in, I eventually did take them out. All right, you all. So as you all can see, I did redo the flexi rods in the front of my hair, and they look so much better. Like even though I ended up taking them out, they looked better than what I started off with. Okay, so this is how my hair looks, all in the flexi rods. Just giving you all the full 360. All right, so now I'm sitting under my dryer. I sat under my dryer for initially an hour, and then after that hour I realized my hair was not drying, so I took the flexi rods out. But this is how my hair looks after. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, peace and blessings.